Hi everyone, 103 to the power of 3. So don't forget this. We say a plus b, the power 3 equals to a power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3 a plus b. Now we're going to substitute here a plus b. Since here we have 103, so we'll say 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3 equals to 103 to the power of 3 equals to a will be 100 power 3 plus b will be 3 power 3 plus 3 multiplied by a is 100 and b is 3 brackets 100 plus 3. Okay, now let us work out. We say equals to 100 power 3 will be 1 million. Okay, plus 3 power 3 will be 27 plus here 3 by 100, 300 by 3 will be 900. Brackets 100 plus 3 will be 103. So we will add 1 million plus 27. So we get 27 here and 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Plus, we're supposed to add this, but first we will multiply. So 900 multiplied by 103. We'll put this 20 first here. Then we'll multiply this by 9. 3 by 9 is 27. 7 carry 2. 0 we bring 2. So 1 by 9 is 9. Now we're supposed to add here. So we bring these 2 zeros here. So we say 7 plus 0 7 and 2 plus 0 is 2. Then we have 7 and 2 and 9 and this 0 here and 1. This is our answer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.